Hi guys, so we're done eating and now we're going to 99 Ranch Market. And katabi yan may Daiso. Masarap kasi yung milk tea dyan sa 99 Ranch Market. FYI, 99 Ranch Market is one of the biggest Asian grocery stores dito sa States. And most of the location dito sa California. And then I know they have some in Texas. Malaking grocery to, guys. And maraming products dito at saka marami silang products from the Philippines. So, ang owner nito, they're Taiwanese. They're Taiwanese. And I think all daughters and one son. Yung son niya, kakilala namin kasi yung napangasawa niya, Filipina na Bicolana. She was born in Bicol, pero dito siya sa States lumaki. Oh, sorry. So, classmate ko siya before sa college. And so, ang swerte niya guys, napangasawa niya yung anak na may-ari ng biggest grocery store chain dito sa Amerika. We went to their house before in Huntington Beach. My goodness guys, ang laki-laki. They even have a pool and it's saltwater pool. And mabait yun. Ang name niya si Sam. So anyways guys, yan yung Daiso. We're gonna go there. Doon muna tayo sa Daiso and then we'll go and get some more milk tea. So anyways guys, ang swerte ni Sam kasi she can just go grocery shop there anytime she wants. Guys, we're here in Daiso. Sino sa inyo mahilig mag-Daiso dyan? Ako, I love coming here kasi mahilig ako sa stationery. Hi guys, so we're inside Daiso. There's Austin, he's playing Pokemon. I love coming here kasi guys, mahilig ako sa mga gift wrappers at saka mga gift bags kasi mahilig akong bigay ng abubot. So these are like the perfect bags to give small things, mga abubots. And then they even have like all these little gift tags. Ito yung mga clear bags. So if you want to give cookies and chocolates, ang gaganda. Maganda yung presentation kasi I'm into presentation. Oh, look at this one. Ang cute to for presentation. Oh, and I also buy, mahilig ako bumili ng ganyan. Like the t-shirt bags like that. Kasi pag may bibigay ka, tapos ayaw mo i-gift wrap, maganda na yung, yung presentation mo. Ito mga toy section nila. Yun, si Austin, he's playing Pokemon. Ito guys, maganda rin yung section na to. Ito yung mga gift bags din, stickers. Ang grabe, ang daming abubot guys. Daming abubots. My goodness. Alam mo yung mga cute na things na you wanna buy pero you don't need. So sometimes you have to tell yourself, huwag mong bilhin kasi hindi mo naman gagamitin yan. Namumulekta ka lang. So alam nyo guys, one of these days, gagawa ko ng house tour para makita nyo yung house namin at saka yung guest room. Kasi meron akong guest room na for girls. And pag nakita nyo yun, I have like a cabinet full ng mga stationeries and gift bags at kung ano-ano pa kasi talaga, ito talaga yung weakness ko, yung mga cute na ganito kasi nga like I said, mahilig ako mag-bake. Yun pa, hindi niyo rin alam, baker ako at saka I also make jewelry. Yun din yung mga isang hobby ko like this guys, ayan ako gumawa yan. I like to make mga jewelries and then I bake. I like to collect what do you call this, mga cute things. And like pag nag-house tour ako, marami akong halaman guys. Mahilig ako mag-garden ever since I was young. Before pa nauso yung pandemic, nauso yung plantita na yan, marami na akong plants. Bata pa ako kasi nagkukuya sa mom ko. Kasi my mom, she loves orchids and roses and everything. So I grew up na mahilig kami mag-garden. Kaya when I bought the house in Bonang Park in 2009, ayun, pinuno ko yun ng halaman. I have around 24 trees there. Malaki yung property guys. Siguro, I don't know how, ano ba yung measurements ninyo sa Philippines? I forgot. Pero yung house is like 800 square feet. Yeah, so magkano yun, Austin? Ano yung size nun? So anyways, there's Austin. Sinasamahan niya ako maghanap ng mga abubot. So ito yung Daiso niya guys. It's pretty big, pero hindi pa ito yung pinakamalaking Daiso dito. There's one close to my house. Actually, dalawa. Yun, oh my gosh, 3 times bigger than this. Kasi dating parang grocery store yun na ginawang parang mega Daiso. As in, kompleto yun for the house, kitchen and everything. Ang laki, ang daming selection. So ito parang ano lang to, regular size lang. It's big compared sa mga Daiso na nakita ko sa Philippines. Pero it's not the biggest. Ang dami talagang abubot guys, oh. Kita mo mga abubots parang cats. Ito yung sa kitchen. Ito naman guys, for your traveling needs. They have like little pouches din, no? For when you travel, lalagyan mo yung mga abubots nyo. Nagpupunta pa kayo guys sa Daiso sa Philippines? Ano yung mga favorites nyo doon? Ako talagang favorite ko sa Daiso stationaries at saka pens. Ever since I was young, yun na talaga yung mga hilig ko guys. Mga stationaries. Itong side na to, ito yung gardening section nila guys. Ayan, ang daming cute. And then yan yung snack section. And then ito yung, if you like to knit, ito yung section nila for knitting. Yung mga arts and crafts, kung mahilig kang magtahe and make jewelry, this is your section right here. Yan ang mga fabrics sila. And ito, favorite ko, stationaries! Yay! Ewan ko, tanda ko na guys, pero hindi talaga ako nagsasawa sa stationaries. I just love it. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan, no? Yung mga cute na paper na ganyan. And you know what's so sad? Like, binibili ko yan. Pero alam mo, minsan nag-iisip ako, kanino ko naman ito padadala? Like, you know, to write letters to since yung mga tao, hindi na sila nagsusulat ng mga cards or letters, pero I still buy it kasi every time na, for example, I'm giving a gift, gumagawa ko ng mga little note cards na, you know, thank you or kung ano-ano ng mga words. Kasi sayang naman. Ito, I'm gonna go buy this kasi as you guys know, I love cats. Cute, no? Ayan guys, so they have like little stickers. Lalagay mo doon sa letters. Ang ganda, oh. Oh my gosh. Mga desserts. Ito, ang ganda. Ay, nako. Happy place. Happy place. Mahilig kayo sa stationaries, guys. Siguro yung mga viewers ko lang na mga babae makaka-appreciate ito. Yan. Isang FYI pa na alam nyo sa akin ngayon. Mahilig ako sa stationaries and stickers. Look at this stickers, guys. Bibiliin ko yan. Kailangan ko siguro mag-haul kasi parang hindi ko namin pumibili ng stickers. Ayan. So cute! Tapos, we go around. It's all snacks. Ito yung aisle ni Austin. Kasi yan ang hilig ni Austin. Snacks. Oh my goodness. Ang daming bago ngayon, guys. Ang daming snacks na bago. Look at this one. Peach gummy candies. Ito one is lychee. Ay nako. Siguro guys, if I had children, tapos babae yung anak ko, nako, pag may party yun, siguro ang giveaway niya mga cute. Ay nako, kaya lang wala kaming children, we only have cats. So I better call Austin para makita niya to. Kasi si Austin mahilig talaga sa snacks yan, tsaka sa drinks. Guys, look at what I bought. I bought more stationery, stickers, and gift bags. Ay nako. All I wanted to do is to show you kung gaano kalaki yung Daiso dito sa area namin. And I ended up buying, mga abubots na naman. Never ending abubots. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show you kung ano itsura ng Daiso dito. How big it is, and ayan, it's pretty big. And after this, we're gonna go ahead to sa 99 Ranch kasi gusto kong bumili ng milk tea. Ay guys, ito, before I leave, ito nakita ko, ang cute ng mga little bags, at clear bags nila, oh. Maganda to pang travel. Ayan. Oh, and then this side, yung mga makeup nila. Pretty big, no? Ito yung mga facial mask nila. And then, ayun si Austin kumuha na ng basket. Pero we're leaving na. Kasi we just finished lunch, diba? So, anyways, guys, thank you for coming with me to Daiso. Bye! Thank you! Inside 99 Ranch Market. Favorite na market ko rin to. Pero favorite ko to kasi I love yung milk tea nila. Tsaka yung mga cakes nila dito. Masarap. At saka yung mga bread sila dito, guys, oh. Actually, mas prefer ko sila kasi sa 85 degrees. Mas gusto ko yung mga nila, yung mga breads nila. Kasi for me, parang mas fresher. Tsaka mas masarap. And they have that. 99 Ranch Market. Like I said, yung friend ko, naasawa niya yung anak ng may-ari nito. Very lucky, no? She can just go grocery shopping anytime she wants to. And it's free. Sign na lang siya. Ang daming location nito all around California. And then I think some in Texas. So, ayan guys. Noodle aisle. And then I have a prepared food section. It's over there. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ducks tsaka sa roast pork. Ayan. Where's Austin? I think Austin's over there. Ayan. Guys, I'm still debating if I should get this kasi ang dami na namin nabili. And there's my milk tea. Masarap yung milk tea nila dito, guys. Kasi yung tea, galing talaga siya ng Taiwan. Kaya masarap talaga. And ang mahal na pandesal nila is like $5. Pero konti lang. Pero masarap sila mag-bake talaga dito. So, okay lang. There you go. Anyways, guys, we're done. I bought the pastry. I couldn't resist. And here's our milk tea. And we're gonna go home, rest. Kasi ang init-init ngayon, guys, dito. Next time, dadalhin ko kayo dito. Tutour ko kayo sa 99 Ranch. Para makita niyo yung malaking Asian grocery store dito. Kasi later, pupunta kami sa Little Saigon. Magna-night market kami ni Austin. And thank you for watching. Na-appreciate ko yung time ninyo, guys. Bye!